स्क्रीन पर मुस्कुराते चेहरे हमेशा खुश नहीं होते, कई बार उनके पीछे गहरा अकेलापन छिपा होता है। So, hello everyone, this is Deepak in front of you. Before starting, I would like to thank Mr. Pradeep Agarwal sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity to stand here. And today I got the topic of graphical presentation. As you can see, there is one picture behind me that is reflecting a message to us: digital fame versus real fame. Thousands of followers online but no real fans offline. This picture shows a person who is very popular on social media. Their phone screen is filled with thousands of followers, likes, comments and notifications. Online they appear very successful, happy and admired by the many people. However, in real life, this person sitting alone in a room, there is no one around to talk to, support them and spend time with them. Despite having a huge audience, they feel lonely and disconnected. Okay, let me tell you more better. Do one thing, open your Instagram please. You will see everyone is smiling. Someone is traveling a lot, someone's relationship looks perfect. Some people seem to be earning a lot of money and others looks rich and more successful. That's all you will see. And after watching all this, you will feel like everyone's life is going great. You are the only one whose life is messed up. But that's not the reality. Do you really think that all these influencers are happy? Okay, let me tell you the story of one influencer. Her name is Miss Lee McMahon. Lee was a well-known Instagram influencer and blogger. She gained a massive following on her Instagram followers, and as she documented her trips around the world along with ex-boyfriend, she traveled her videos of on blogging on YouTube channel. She gained almost 500,000 of subscribers to their YouTube channel. This was Lee's life. Everything was going great, but in 2021, Lee committed suicide. She died struggling with depression and anxiety. Online, her life looked perfect. She has everything: lots of followers, money, a luxury lifestyle, travel, everything people dream of. These are the same things that influence us. But no one knew what she was going through inside her mind. This image encourages us to think about the difference between virtual connection and real life friendships. In today's world, many people becoming famous online, but they're feeling lonely offline. I just want to say that don't chase followers on Instagram and other social media apps. Spend time with your loved ones. Spend time with only those people who truly knows your heart. Because we rich in real life connection, not in online attention. So thank you for listening to me. That's all from my side.